To my channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about the EPFO 2025 examination total applicant. How many aspirants have filled the form so far? The form fill up date is already over, and as you know, you must know and you have know that the exam date is set to 30th November. There will be one examination, one combined recruitment test for the both APFC as well as AOU examination. Unlike last year 2023, this year we'll have two. Instead of two examination, we have one examination this year. That is the factor. So now let us have a look in the total application that was received through the RTI official Right to Information Act data. For the UR candidate, the APFC, there were 1,99,572 candidates have filled the form. And in terms of AOU, the number is 1,63,726. In terms of EWS, the number is quite low. In APFC, it's 32,282. And for AOU, it is 28,767. For OBC, the number is considerably quite great. For the APFC post, there were 1,66,407 applicants, and for the AOU post, there are 1,51,880 applicants. For the APFC, there were 81,000 in terms of SC, there were 81,250 applicants. For AOU, there are 74,745 applicants. For the ST, APFC, we have only 20,277 applicants, and AOU, we have only 23,713 applicants. Now, the most important part is for the APFC, the total form fill up is 4,99,788, near about 5 lakh. And for AOU, it's 4,42,831. Now, there is a confusion that means the total form fill up is near about 9.5 lakh, 9.4 lakh. No, it's not the total form fill up, because those who have filled the AOU form, they also fill the APFC form as well. So why there is an increase of number in application in APFC? Because the age limit. As you know, the APFC, the age limit is 35 and the AOU is 32, right? AOU is 32 and age limit for APFC is 35. So there is a contradiction. Like many of the candidates only fill the form for APFC. There are also few candidates those who have only filled the form for AOU also by mistake or by intentional. We are not counting them. But in general, the total, if you consider the total, how many candidates will gonna give the CRT examination? How many candidates will be sitting for the combined recruitment test? That is all I can say is 5 lakh total applicant will be there, and roughly near about 3 lakh to 3.5 lakh students will be appeared for the examination. Okay. So although the form fill up is quite low, the number of students giving the examination will remain mostly the same if you compare to the last year test 2023. Okay. So now those who are preparing well for the examination, we have launched a EPFO test series that you can buy from our official website, that is sandipan.com. Here, go to the courses section, you will find the EPFO test series and you can directly buy from there. After purchasing, after clicking buy, you just need to do the payment. We are giving 50 full length test FLT at only 1850. Also, we have notes for EPFO. If you want to have the notes, you can contact on the given number here, that is given in the description as well as pin comment section. After payment, you'll be redirected to a drive, Google Drive, and where you will find all the PDFs, all the test schedule there. Okay, so prepare well, prepare quite well, and thank you for watching the video.